Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Neverwinter Nights. First, you will need to acquire the game, preferably the Enhanced Edition, which offers improved compatibility and features for modern computers. Once installed, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main menu and settings. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and enjoyable experience, preparing you for the vast adventures ahead in the Forgotten Realms. It sets the stage for Next, dive into character creation, a cornerstone of any great role-playing game. You will choose your character's race, class, and alignment, each offering unique strengths and weaknesses. Carefully allocate your ability scores, skills, and feats to build a hero tailored to your vision. After creation, spend a few minutes learning the user interface, movement, and basic combat controls. Understanding these fundamentals is key to your success. Now, let's proceed with installing the G64 files into your game directory. Begin by extracting the contents of the downloaded G64 add-on zip file. Navigate to your Gary's Mod installation folder, usually found under your Steam library's Common Applications. Once there, locate the add-on subdirectory. Simply drag and drop the entire extracted G64 folder into this add-ons folder. After this step, it is important to restart Gary's Mod completely for the changes to take effect. Combat in Neverwinter Nights is real-time with a tactical pause, allowing you to strategize effectively. Utilize your character's spells, abilities, and items to overcome foes. You will also recruit various companions, each bringing unique skills and personalities to your party. For endless replayability, explore the vast array of community-created modules, offering thousands of hours of new stories and challenges beyond the official campaigns. Enjoy your epic journey.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.